Sanibonani sanibingelani, it's your boy Kev kule Mathiyo phela known as ngilahlile makakani nankinga bese mavocha ngayi out yami.
Happy Sunday
Kanjalo
Amen.
that way ngayi ngiphethe siya Godse.
Tanko.
Sibuyile, we are refreshed. Sithatha ngohlelo le right sibheke iCafe kumnandi bafethu. Let's enjoy and embrace the hype and everything behind our tournament esobe sidlala, preparing for it. Khona manje last week besikhuluma ngendaba yaka police. Sikhuluma ngendaba yaka police ukuthi was it the right decision for him to sign with Orlando Pirates? Was it the right decision for Orlando Pirates to sign with police? Can our fact whatever tell us what's happening?
Fact. Tell us.
So Sadio Mane. We are on Sadio Mane, right?
Yeah,
So Sadio Mane says Manchester United called me that time. I was talking to Van Gaal. Rooney was there. Di Maria was there. DP was there. When they failed to get me, they bought Martial. My question was, you have DP, Rooney, Di Maria, Van Persie. So where am I going to play? Because me, I want to play.
Bese siyabuya futhi ngayi eMzansi uKevin Hunt nasiphathele enye into bafethu. Ithe mangifunda lento le ngacabanga ukuthi ngaba iqiniso yabona. Besicela ukuthi futhi asifundele enye futhi akaKevin Hunt.
I don't think the squad is going to change much for the Nations Cup, but for the World Cup, you will have a few surprises.
Yeah.
Devon City coach Gavin Hunt believes the final Bafana squad for the FIFA World Cup next year will feature some unexpected additions.
Yes.
And before singing my insights way too, then like, subscribe and follow. Don't forget to press that notification buzzer there. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Yebo manje sidinga bafethu ngale ndaba le ithini le way.
Ithini police. Bana mina ndona bangithukile ntwana.
Bathi ngamakhemera.
Bathi ngamakhemera ndona bangithukile. Ndona Vachiolas uthini boy. Hey. Bathini bawuthuka yini ngikho kwapolice. Bathi bafuna lo jwabo ndoda. Hey bangithukile.
Ampana counter attack no shen counter attack sithi kwa defensive.
We are next.
But that's in faith. Nah, it's like appreciate.
Yeah.
Opinion yakho counts.
Yes. Nice abonga bafefu kama comments.
Bad publicity.
Noma sizwile.
Bad publicity.
Hayi nisingenile makafeli. Sakusingena kwenzakalani? Le ndaba le beniringa ka police. Le ndaba ka police.
Yeah.
Ilento le similar to le ka Sadio Mane vele yabo. So Sadio Mane at the time vele njengoba bamfona la. Feli bekuzoba iplayer elizoba ne-impact ku-menu ngendlela. Same as police. Because they knew ukuthi mabasayina police bafunani kuyo. As much as the Chiefs bemfuna police, they knew ukuthi like sasala lo muntu lo we know and i-proving sambona police no currently performance yakhe. Ilibili ya rise like game by game ya rise yangithola. So like no Sadio Mane I think bekuzoba similar situation ngaleyo ndlela but then yena uzicabangeleni mina ngifuna ukudlala mina into engifuna ngifuna ukudlala and nakho ngifethuile ku Liverpool wa perform until waze wavala wherever he goes ya perform na ku Bayern uperformile wavala so like
namanje usaperform
no
Cristiano
exactly so like na ku national team even worse so like it shows ukuthi untwana ocabanga i-career yakhe more than financial whatever so like uzicabangela yena ukuthi mina ngisifuna ukudlalela indaba zeyimali nani
career comes first.
But it was going to be a bit tricky in a sense ukuthi if we compare Pirates and Man United the space lesasodlala kuso unabantu abayingakhi ukuthi siyabazi phela masingena Pirates esidini la police ngiyazo police nobani futhi yabona ngisaqala
udlala va
yeah into engisho ukuthi la adlala khona abantu
police mazadlala ku left akhatha in
la noma bekaza vele ku Pirates besithi uzokhisha umfufukeni but then nakho
yeah then siyakulela ukuzani United Di Maria uyozubiza amanye amagama nawo mase uthole yabona ukuthi nayo uyazibona okay uyasiclassify kuleyo category. Mara at the same time une-doubt ukuthi labantu laba
ubheka imbono
ufuna la ukuthi azothola i-game time kube nomuntu second ozoba yi-second yakhe
Yeah.
ukuthi yena abe yi-second.
Yeah, bekuyi-reference into esirengayo ukuthi somehow as a player kumele ubheke imbono ukuthi okay la
and secure
Imbono
career
ikhona.
yakho ukuthi career yami izakucala
izakucala yangithola before inyuku before anything.
Black tax asiyekeni. Khuluma
yes.
Because
Yeah.
into engathi most of the time kunale clip engiyibonile kaLinda Mtambo
Yeah.
uyakhuluma ukuthi ekhaya bakulindile uzozwa ngabathi ngiyi-29 sebakuthumela
Oh, yeah,
lento le mayiplayer
Black text.
That's what we once talked about there ukuthi I think ama-contract wama-player kumele bamgaye i-contract aziyo ukuthi yena personal uzoba happy.
Exactly.
Yangithola ukuthi kungabi nalento ukuthi umntana kubo uzomfuna ino ubani baazi ukuthi okay noma ifuna ngimnandi ngigrand zomkhaya but mina happy place because kusiyeri nta ngokuthi wena uyaspara umntana kini afuna i-force
Fine.
wena uyabona ukuthi yo i-force umntana sekhaya uyangithola so izocale mentally soba affected ukuthi ne-already ngayi mfethu azi mane i-rent angihafanga mane bafuna i-5 stina labo ngayi yabona so ucala ukhawatha izinto za-off the field ma uye-gyming yakulimaza vele
hayi kubhizi
And kunento engiyinotisile actually into engifuna mina ukuyicala actually Shibo magazine ukuyicala like yabona from the ground root level kube ne sort of like I would say kube ngathi iskela basically iskela where there's no your gadgets and everything, you're just focusing on your well-being as a player.
Yeah.
You understand? Maybe you go there for like a month or 2 pre-season, kuyajinwa, kuyafundwa, yenza lezo zinto lezi away from the internet and everything, just for you to find yourself and do some self introspection. Yabona izinto ezifana lezo like reflection. It's something that I want to start initiative ukuthi nginceda ama-player from a ground root level bakwazi ukuthi this is ukudla kwethu, you need to treat it like this. Bangayithatha ngale ndlela lokuthi okay now I'm working, I have to like okay ngishaya imali ukudlula kwamanje ukuthi ngibheke mangizo-retire kwamele ngibe nemali ethize, because once you ubheke ukuthi mangizo-retire kwamele ngibe nemali ethize awusadlalela
so khohliwe
basically wena uri basika focusa more ko nyuku,
focus on what you do.
Yeah.
You sharpen up your skills and everything.
Yeah.
Like, we're in the right space of mind.
Alright, Upul, just ukubonisa ukuthi I'm a professional football player. Be a professional football player. Sharpen your skill. Mangabe uyazi ukuthi nge-tripping angikho mnandi.
Work hard.
Yeah,
Work hard on
yeah.
tripping. Wazi ukuthi nge-passing angikho mnandi. Work hard on passing. You have the time to. Labantu bajima kayingaki mfethu. Bana the whole time mfethu, you can just train on yabo.
But they don't get time for themselves. That's the thing. For you yourself, like when njengoba ndaba play text nani ukuthi how does it affect mentally player? Ila ucabanga khona ukuthi okay, maybe let's say we come up with something ukuthi okay masihlele kanje mawusign contract, let's say maybe 10% of your salary even iye automatically to your family. You understand? Then when udile nebhola ungadina lento ukuthi wamele ngibheke ngalo ukuthi somfuna e-force mama ngifuna grocery nani. Focusing on what you do.
Black tax bulala mash. Black tax.
So talking about black tax, Popo.
Yeah, no, started with Kevin Hart.
Siyeza la. Lapho siyeza la. Siyeza ukusala.
Azofika kuLupopo.
Kevin Hart ukhuluma enye indaba
I think we
touching yena.
For mina ikhosifeni mnandi.
We touch that yabo abantu bangithuka bathi mina angifuni lo. Azange ngithi angifuni lo. Mina bengikhulumela ukuthi bafana
bangapush agenda ngolo.
Bangapush agenda ngolo ukuthi bamfuna that just because
agenda enza ukuthi
abantu lo Constance Park ne.
Agenda.
But agenda Juhu. Yazi bana ama journalist bana push agenda ngithola. Mfethu nge-2010 World Cup before idlala. Mangakhumbula grand yazi sonke besikhona besi-right besibeni besibhala bo-Philippines here itradini in let's push agenda yani ukuthi there's gonna be a World Cup in our country. Did you look at players? Did you say you don't want this player, you don't want this player? we believe in the team abayikhethile ukuthi this is the team sizodlala izowina angithola
Yeah.
we didn't care about that we were just happy. Let's be happy ukuthi team yethu iqualify kwesi-2 in a row ku-AFCON. It never happened.
And ba-maintain i-winning streak.
Angithola it never happened. Masocala sithi ngizofrustrate i-coach no akasasipani i-Grand because nina niyamrasela nifuna this certain player ninamrasela nifuna lo bafethu uzikhethela i-team yakhe iyawine ngayo past 40 something games angadliwa.
And there's nothing you can do about that.
Ngiyangithola
Final decision yakhe.
ngiyangithola so akayenza into ayenzayo thina let's just be happy ukuthi we are playing AFCON kwesi-2 in a row and last time siphume kuma-same progress progress into engilwe eyangithola
Thatha mona.
ibona
And makavele
ina-agenda ekumele siyiphushe we are winning this thing.
and vele ngaleyo dideng leyo asifuni ukukhawatha dideng level esinayo because of now amajita vele nawo i-mentality yawo afuna ukuya all the way
You know that space.
yabo ukuyiwina nje
Yes
aphethe
ngiyangithola
dideng ukuthi hayi
ayekho mfethu angisho ukuthi uLodge bangamkhethi but ayekho iplayer azolukhetha ucoach elaziyo ukuthi akumelanga ngibe la and akumelanga ngidle.
and kwenye
I have to be there.
enye into mfethu
And
abaya
we have to
amaplayer
win.
mfethu afuna ukuyodlala i-AFCON
Abaya
mfethu.
unfortunately
unfortunately
akakhethe everyone
Kodwa umsebenzi wamele umkhulumele yabo.
and uyamkhulumela so far.
Isipani sakhe
Sasiringeni
makasehlile kuma-ranking ubonile.
Sehlise yini konje?
I think ama-team esidlala nawo ama-friendly nama-games
that's why you go process no more
Yeah.
African friendlies
Bekune something ukuthi udlala neBrazil.
yeah
I think bekunaleyo kuthiwa ukuthi
yeah
udlala angazi
ngiyakhumbula
ukubona
nje.
but iBrazil I think igcine idlala khona la e-Africa man.
bedlala ne-Senegal
Yeah ine-team edlala
idlale ne-Senegal i-friendly game
but
yeah.
then yeah
Eish.
it is what it is for it was what it was.
Yeah, makusala ama results.
Hayi bafethu maka nesithukile yo
Ah,
indaba kalosha
yazi mfethu manje sithuka.
Amakafeli, yazi.
Ukuthi yaphila.
makafeli at least mina ngiyabona yini lesingama nizo understand isikhathi masivana nizobona
Ngizobona ukuthi singaya ngani. Lo Jaspana.
phela sinaba profit
Yeah,
phela
siqale yeah.
baya professor labantu phela
uLodge angafaka something la emzo
Exactly.
but manje ayikho up to thina ayikho up to thina sinakhuluma sekuphi isijike emakhoneni
Yeah, just saying our
Mr.
opinion.
Hugo lapha ya final decision yakhe
Yeah. And we'll be happy with whatever he does in the national team because we've been winning too. Oh, uyangithola?
yeah
We've been winning.
akuningi
It's a lot.
khona indaba ikhona indaba
Awusibambi uthi kwenzakalani?
kuningi
Uthi Limpopo yenzani?
Lupopo kahle
Limpopo Lupopo
angibiza Lupopo because but is Lupopo FC yakhe
Yeah, Limpopo.
oh Saint Oloy
Lupopo ngathi
Saint Eloy.
nge-agenda na
Yeah.
Uze nge-agenda
Yeah.
uze nge-agenda
Maka mina amshila ngathi akuna team la.
friends
Da.
like this
Akuna team. Yeah, vele yabona ngifuna ukuthi Sundowns mayodlala nayo iJRC idle boma 6-0 ke this time. Ngiyangithola. Bonisa ukuthi
hayi icho
keep something
hayi ngithe
akhipha uthi
hayi angibhodi
kodwa
inangayifuzi
Safe space.
this is a safe space. This is a safe space.
khafula
Mara mina vele le team ngifuna idliwe ngiyangithola because of akusi team ezokhulisa our African football because of they still use mentality 95 it's 95 no we wanna watch football we wanna be fans we-team yase-Africa sazi team yase-DRC iyashisa team yase-Nigeria ziyashisa lesa ukuthi kube masibukela i-Champions League wazi ukuthi noma ngabe i-team yakho ayikho but you are interested in watching football because you enjoy what you see but then moza ngama-player uyibonile yenzini uDaves aliyayo Thizo
fethu
retaliation straight
it's ungukutshela ukuthi
ngazi kuyi-red card by the way
it's ungukutshela ukuthi udayile ngiyaphi ukapa i-out idlala national team ispine se-middle field yethu okay asenze so Ama-fans we-Sundowns nayo-Chiefs bewahappy ngithi abayenza ku-Pirates. Hey iphumile i-team ne. Bonile yahlaba u-Apolice. Zangikhulunye yabo kwaba nemthatshela maqeda ukukora. Yamphusha ngithi zangiringwe in no ngithi akuzangiringwe ngayo because abantu bebahappy ukuthi they doing that to Orlando Pirates ngithola big institution. So now yabona so no izoluyenza ku-player esilidingayo for i-AFCON. Izoluyenza ku-player for a key player ye-national team key player ye-Sundowns yangithola. So let's say bekayenzela yini uyamhlaba Achilles khawathekile yazi Achilles uthatha isikhathi
6 months
asena player ku-AFCON ezodlala ispine esaziyo ukuthi siphethe uTabes
solid ya
Sundowns ayisena player baziyo ukuthi in the middle we have Tabes we know ukuthi we are solid. Then what happens?
Iloss ngabe
Kumele ama-fans e-Pirates abe happy for that.
Ama-fans we-Chiefs zomela
yazi senzani sathula
papa wabo bekagawuma ukoko izinto lapha
yazi
just for ukuthi wenze into like yangithola
so like yenye into ekhenyile le okay sharp fili angazi ukuthi bebaswetsa riding pakaniya lawo like hayi mkoko ki king ingwabo bamhype it's fine.
That's why ke batla
Mara,
stand ku table.
here's the thing bayidlala second league batho akutse ba fitla ka DRC ba uyetsa la lori ba tlo ikhipa game ina a ke a bona go badlala jwang
Besides into se ke cho bona le handovers le di
yeah
se you bontsha hore game ya ba okay ba win it's fine
yeah
but so bona re etsa already
mara se na I know mfethu se ya di ka la Lubumbashi problems ke dinkinga tse mfethu like le no ke santsane ke ayicala uyetse yena ile etsa itse khale Chiefs ile ya ka yo dlala ka da le AS Vita same treatment re thotsing same thing one shot so like dilenge ya Kenya because of now team ya abatlisa o tlo dlala diski
ba tshela wrestling
mfethu
le rugby
mfethu I mean like mfethu ufawutse motho mawubani awuqeda player thing yamphakamela obviously player go phakama mfethu push up player ele bawufa yellow card mara mremo khona ka thole red card
yeah
without yellow card red card straight
mfana it wasn't
la no revele ba shayile red card mara still red card
izolo akakhiphi red card
akayikhiphi red card
ama bafithi bineshebeletse referee na jaja nyo
so wabona go like
na jaja ma
wabona
games it happens
wabona Kef nje tlamele ba lokise ntho tse pae president tlamele a bone plan go dila jwang le situation yana tse so
president
ya Kef
benefits from whatever that's happening
yeah
now it's all okay
yeah
it's a safe space ne
yeah it's a safe space
yeah real
I ke rapona
yeah po
give benefits amonto tse so and hape a re shebeng ke team ya wa bona even understand or maybe ne se team ya direct maybe na represent King PSL ka be re bona ntse difference but for the method or wa bona lo ena go ntse ding no mo shebile game tsa teng wa bona go mo
ipiwe tafuleng
this is not make sure
ipiwe tafuleng
come on
so like wa bona go like
where are we going with this
exactly
where are we going
no way Joe
because now we were hoping ukuthi kuzoba no shintsho ukuthi at least we'll get to compete ibe ne freedom kube mnandi but now
wa bona le nako ba kaela ka verdict ke vitse ka bona ka
coach nomkoko
ayimfana vitse ka bona ka ga
bona ngitshela
udimara ba re fine Orlando Pirates
yeah for chemical engineering
everybody suspended ba re fine 300 and something k
yeah
small
man we've got 51
small
million
man I've got 93 million for 2 players small man that one
but then
in my contract in na 15 signing contract le small man
yazi
you understand
I dog
that's why I'm good siaphi
I see anyway
president must fix this whatever
no president Mbana will fix things for team yakhe not for African football ngithola because of yazi lento icala evatsha nawara abasana uJaden Adams beka captain ngithi because udlale ku CAF Champions League Stellenbosch no bamsayina January, right? Abamsayina January bekangeke khona ukudlala CAF Champions League
ne-Sundowns, yeah, exactly.
January Spukupuku, there was a new rule. There was a new rule ukuthi they can register players abawasayine January.
Umaka.
Guess who signed the players January?
Asisho amagama seniyazi, read between the lines. Or maybe just comment.
Anisitsheleni ukuthi nina nicabangani ngalesi thing.
Noma ningasithuka it's fine.
Then years no Pirates send
Ama-complaints.
To ICAF. Today kwenzakale sona so coach. Why was the coach there? Why in ngiyangithola? We look over this what I draw the Champions League. Lupopo draw ingena igroup inyani
Sundowns. Sayibeka Sundowns.
Kuzoba yini bezongena la?
Orlando Pirates versus Sundowns izolo.
Coach wathi what president that yeah yaziphume lezi zase Orlando yazime kancane abame kancane azongidisturb angibhizi la ngiphekele Sundowns istas is2 yangithola bay dismiss but angazi what coach sebazodlala ne Sundowns first game
bamsuspend.
Coach is suspended
And baba suspended 2 games ne.
Coach is suspended
Baba suspended 2 games.
2 games.
2-2.
But obviously igame lokuqala bekuyini. So ubonile ukuthi yazi ayisuke manje le ndaba laba saba suspend. How? Why bekumele icale bekumele icale before futhi igame le Pirates.
Na concern yami why bakhipha iverdict ama group stages sewazoqala. Sonke lesikhathi lesi bebachuna.
Kwenzakala.
Dog. Baskipper already Pirates se postpone game la vandag le PSL. Le Lizol, le PSL ne Magesi. Keep it verdict. Ukuthi hayi Pirates say fine. For ukuthi yenze sona. So lama complaints lawa wethu bathi hayi coach naliya ubani whoever lo Mukoko. Yeah. Saba suspenda now. And as complainanga ngomkoko kuphela khona na player eshanga ama passport ayi2
and bathi yonke intelligence
bathi yangithola so like ngiyazibuza ukuthi why bame isikhathi esingaka bazokhipha le verdict le bazi ukuthi okay ama group stage sewasondela
andangabe badonsi Pirates ngamasela
They're cooking.
maka obviously Pirates ke Pirates bakanya ke
mara well
Mara bafethu
we've got bigger things to focus on.
We've got bigger things to focus on, but now this is not just any competition, it's CAF. We should be celebrating our domestic clubs. Njengabe ngifavor Kaizer Chiefs, Pirates, but now if izinto zenzakala kanje
it means isazowenzeka.
Sizobana lento lokuthi asimanje sesibheka amanye ama-team le yona le specific because of siyazi ukuthi they don't angithi bathanda ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs wina ngama-penalty. So bona-ke wabawina behind closed doors. Bangawini field.
Maka mfethu ubona mfethu wabona but babangile stamp mfethu ka backdoor.
Agenda
ngibona.
And then ICAF mfana there's so many things to fix.
Straight.
Bafethu okay angifuni ukucompare ne izinto ne but European Champions League is doing it better and good. Why can't we make calendar Champions League ihambe straight ne UEFA Champions League so that kungabi nama-team azoba nama-game in hand nani lo nama-game in hand ayi4 yonke into ivele ivaye ngomuva.
I think CAF
basihlanganise grand ukuthi
CAF ishaka calendar yayona
and iyabheka because of now
disruptor calendar ya PSL
izolo bekudlala
no PSL mabantu
ngiyangithola
like PSL
nesole namazulu nesikhukhune
lifanda kudlala CAF but still no
PSL games it doesn't make sense
so akatsibe rishebela
exactly so
and then UEFA idlala ukhona UEFA week
and idlala during the week Champions League yangithola bayaza step ama game
I think kumele vele balungise the thing there
idlala during the week out here bazokhetha amalanga Tuesday and Wednesday what then i-PSL mayenza ama-games wabo nawo bawenza according ukuthi during the week yalena lena le yasenza ama-game
for amaviki asona sona
Champions League edlalayo yangithola so that teams ku-PSL kungabi 2 games in a 4 games in a because now it's gonna mess up i-mentality yama-player njenge-Pirates inama-game in hand ayi-2 and they know thina mas-calculator nathi masinga-calculator no mabawina way-2 i-Pirates over number 1
exactly
so i-mentality yabo izoba messed up izoba messed up ukuthi maswina siba number 1 yabo now lento lesizodlala unless if bebadlala ama-game so wonke umuntu so then besizoba ne-mentality right so ukuthi no asidlaleni so
you plan according
do you understand
hiccups and stuff
do you understand so now it's a bomb
mela lungise Mr President
talking about careful Mr President ukuthi wamela lungise bafethu Stelis bafethu Stelis sadlala
as we speak
so mina I was actually thinking ukuthi it was unfortunate by the way ukuthi we had to shoot ngalesikhathi lesingabukeli Stelis but mina my predictions were ukuthi Sterling even though it's underperforming ku-PSL izinto kunokuba nomehluko ka-difference angithola masiphumela ngaphandle bangayiwina igame ungazi ukuthi kwenzakalani but we'll see
ama-results after
no good luck to
bona vele bona banali good run ku CAF
good luck to Stellenbosch ne-Chiefs bafethu and enye into VCAF eyenza dog la bantu bayenza into
ayikwatisile CAF ntwana
bayakwatisa accordingly
baphekele ntwana yabo
mfethu each and every country
ngathi winile bafethu
Stellenbosch
sephelile
because 91
FT
well done
FT
well done
you see but bamfethu banale good run ko
so no
CAF Confederations Cup
here's what I was saying i-CAF enye into kumele ilungise Mr President ilento yokuqualify wama-team
okay
like more teams
each and every country adlalayo ku-African Champions League kumele qualify ama-team ayi-4 it's number 5 no number 6 badlala i-CAF Confederation in that case I'll it will make competition in the leagues more tougher and more interesting.
And more challenging.
Nyago.
Do you understand?
Like
because now
time, so
ama-team ayi-4 azolwela ukuba ama-team wonke we-16 azolwela ukuba top 4 because they wanna play Champions
League. Maybe we can just say top 5 at least. The number 4 lo ama-comfortable omshaya
ama-playoffs. Playoff.
Uyangithola. In that case, iba interesting league. In that case we can
competition even
competition yangithola. ukuthi into ukuthi ama-prelims what games kumele iphele
kumele iphele leyo
ama-team top 4 mawa qualified mnandi yangithola 5 and 6
playoffs
CAF Confederation because now ngabe qualify 4 teams ngabe interesting Champions League because sazi ukuthi ama-team abuye ekasilethu ayi-4
aphumile
and siyazi ukuthi amnandi
aphumile
not only 4 obviously angithi CAF
nale plus 2 6
teams out and obviously leyo experience le noma masibuya songena ku-PSL yabila not only favor and siyazi okay at the moment not at the moment I think it's 5 years ago besilokhu siyazi ukuthi Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs and Sundowns ama-team okuthi siyazi ukuthi masibheke i-PSL we're talking about those teams but now when we talk about CAF it's Pirates and Sundowns you understand we're still struggling with that prosthetic leg but either way so what I'm trying to say is just imagine that 4 teams CAF competing with CAF these 2 teams conferred already leyo 6 leyo mayizobuya ngayini standard sesilokhu siyakhuphuka game structure
bafana siba mnandi nayo siyakhona ukuthi friendly game ozani la Egypt siyanicela bayazi Egypt ukuthi lapha eSouth Africa
ukuringa ngayo Egypt le group yesikuyo ku-AFCON hey wena yakhala uHassan yamazo Hassan
Sebom
siyeza
coach Egypt Hassan
sasicela ngabo abutreka
khona le article engiyibonile athi sekwenye igroup ne inamathima ku South Angolida ne
Yeah.
Yeah.
Angolida Egypt nani futhi in-last 3
Okay.
but then I think
lapha
it's
ngibhale.
Southern Hemisphere nayo leyo team leyo athi maka South Africa is a hoodoo team so like if ever Penika coach Egypt he knows ukuthi South Africa capable of
He knows.
Do
You know why?
story
Do you know why?
because of
Ubheke the
Interclub
AFCON,
yeah
the previous one.
Lega Lodge
Watch
Lodge.
with
Ilega Lodge. Ilega
Ubona
Lodge
lento bengikhuluma
Ilega Lodge
ukuthi i-team awuyibheki manje i-perform
Ilega Lodge.
ubhekela umsebenzi oyenza mu ubheka omemo lokhiza kanje
Yeah.
Ukuthi bebayenza.
the-Pirates bokhona ukubona ukuthi is competing for the league from last season or season before olokhu ubona
Akusi 3 years.
akhe jwalo re batla go bontsha ukuthi you can't ushebe team ona chewina bora avoid msebenzi o tla le msebenzi so phela washeba go mtho bathile number 2
Project,
the project exactly so le coach ya Egypt yabona right
Yeah, they are
mamela
and ushebe ne ona le
second game yethu AFCON izana Egypt
we are gonna cook them those ones.
and nesinye stats
Mo Salah.
Nigeria
magezi
ihlule ukuqualify ku FIFA World Cup iqualify ku AFCON
AFCON.
bani manani futhi I think
Ghana.
it was Ghana
Ghana.
in
Cape Verde.
Yeah.
exactly maqeda bathi South Africa
Both of them, Baba.
So
Yeah, we are killing
you're
it.
you're not only checking
Yeah,
mase sisibana kahle uyabheka la sibuya khona
Mnandi
Yeah.
lento yaka lodge
what's a yaga
Yeah.
what's a yaga
Hey, stop.
utshela ka riding ka dikho go dikya yimzansi uchonyetsa riding isha
development
exactly
development is coming
See.
CTC.
yeah but not forgetting Stelis winile fan
shout out to the Winelands boys
yeah we represent him
bawinile
Billionaire boys.
simnandi maka
Phela
they must improve yeah
They will
Stellenbosch billionaire.
oh yeah
Billionaire boys.
yeah maka yeah
mara saza tiskill kunama up and up
Yeah,
Maka
no, abakho.
mele ba improve performance yabo ku PSL manje ngiyabakhumbula lapha ku PSL
bangabathathela ama player kungomunye ufuna umdala
bayahamba vele bayachacha vele
yarekisa thela lidlala
yeah they mean business
yeah manje sikhuluma ngeteam enkulu hayi institution keza Chiefs bawo kwesiko live yeah athi ngibone futhi ukuthi silaka sikanjani
Yeah, go see.
okay yo
1800 hours iChiefs yaqala bafethu
and ngathi amangizophele second half okay i-team enkulu cela million ke la matches sewahleke kanje mangithi institution
No.
okay mina my
Chiefs will
predictions Chiefs will win this game
score roughly
roughly 2-1
2-1
good prediction star
yeah kita
yeah ke supporter Chiefs vandag ke pagania by the way supporter Chiefs
1-0.
Rona Mokoko FC we are not there we are not participating
Yeah, we're not doing those things.
We're not doing those
we are
things.
just football players.
So-
imkoko FC ngathi
Kaizer Chiefs.
amaningi
do us proud since vele it's also way to Sowetan's we are behind you machens
ngenza kashawa
obrigado Shaba simnandi bafethu sabalanda
predictions
Mabalanda.
1-0.
mina ngithe 2-1
lena nkatsho
ngakayo sure khosi ngathi
solid
sure
1-0
solid 1-0 abekho sure mina
Yeah,
ngithe
because
2-1
badlala away, man. Yazi
Yeah,
man,
ngithi yazi
lama-team ase-Africa, man, away, man.
bale north ne Egypt
Hayi.
makale ya team lebadlala
These
nayo
teams, Chief.
bathi ayikho mnandi akakawini league for isikhathi sela ngenhleke
Yeah, man, imikoko.
bathi abekho mnandi mabangena efieldini asazi ithi sikalina therefore yangithola anything might happen
kuyona problem
Yeah.
kabani nalushaka qhwash phela lokho
Mara ngibone something bathi ama-player we-Chiefs bewabheke this team. I think the past few games badlala ngakhona. So if ayishayele homework amnandi bangashaye homework ngamavideo ku-YouTube.
oh hayi
Amavideo ku-YouTube
Okay,
azokushaya.
lebashaye proper analysis ne
Proper.
Kaizer Chiefs
pepepepe
I don't know
Yeah.
hey safike
Hey, listen wena.
pepepepe
Singukutshele wena.
ngiyamkhohlisa ukuthi angakhumbuli
pepepepe
Fana ngiyengikhohle awuse-HIV ngiyengikhohle ngiyeza lapho ngiyeza
silizwe lebomb
Hey,
Faka amashili
wena,
kuqala.
nayo legend yakho le kanubani legend yakho kanobani
legend kabani
yakho kanobani bedlala i-Sundowns
ubani
Tebogo man
aha
ya yakhumbula ukuthi wathini yena wathi yini ezocompete for
athi isikhukhuni
nani
sidlale 1-1 izolo
ngimtshelile ngathi lo muntu lo ulidlalile yasharp mnandi
He was being biased, ne? Lesisho kanjalo.
because bekadlalela
i-Sundowns
yeah
maka mfethu ushilo sharp mara nami ngishilo ngathi labantu laba mfethu they are only competing for a top 8 spot that's it uyibheke nje ba compete ba maintain i-top 8 spot that's it
that's okay yazi into engifuna ukuyazi ufike kanjani kudayiding lo ukuthi i-Pirates ngikho sure ngayo ukuthi izocompete for i-league mara isikhukhune ne-TS Galaxy yibo abazocompete for i-league yibo abazocompete ne-Sundowns for i-league
Bathini la?
because
ufike kanjani lo
first two
conclusion
games elite mayicala isikhukhune sashaya i-Pirates 2 ukhumbula
Yento enza ukuthi
wona le sidlothunile Orlando
1-0
okay
sidliwe 2-1 Galaxy
igalance okay sure
yeah
njoba isikhukhune sishaya that's where I realized bekatshela ukuthi ucoach we-Pirates uzomaintain
akekho mnandi
uzomaintaina i-system le lineup le vele adlale ngayo vele phela remember nathi yasifrustrate singama-wing we-Pirates
Ningazi
ama-fans
ukuthi benzani.
singazi makafika bekafuna ukufaka those new players
engifrustrated
I mean like you don't do that Joe wanthola so like igame mfethu after those two games Pirates yenzeni ngitshela nafana akakaluzi i-Pirates
since
akakadliwi idliwe umkoko yeah makakadliwa la samaintain ilona i-winning streak so sikunumber bani currently isikhukhune lesi sikhompyutha ne-Sundowns sikunumber bani somewhere
yeah there
Yeah.
yazi Chiefs number 3
number 3 Chiefs
because salinga ngama
Exactly.
Sagijima kansakibela.
so like
angifuni beyi
Langaman is doing what bentering
benta uyabenta
wa-under
Uyagentalize.
so like Langaman nje
Ntanga,
asekho la
what I've realized ukuthi ama-player abhaya alidlalela idisi ukuli-analyze
bekho mnandi
And ungathi bonke abaretire ku-analyze.
analysis ne
bayahluleka
abekho mnandi and then le mfethu kumele uyele esigele so nathi cabanga
Ntanga
ukuthi
yini le nto angabayithunayo
Yana kodwa la ngabayadlalela khona. Ochithe khemela.
i-crest
Lo bhuti walo kagoba lokho.
so like Langaman kumele refresh le nto ayishilo yabo
yeah
abuyele emuva azicabange Crane ukuthi enhle bekathini Crane because of that besaphethe momentum isikhukhuli yabo nambe ngisibona siza maka
It was promising.
they can compete mfethu nezimnyama
mfana
Kanjani, mfethu?
eligini yabona i-Pirates level iphuma number 2 ingilisi is something ukuthi no eligini ntanga yini
Ifana nekhahe
Ngenye.
ngiphuma number 2 uyakhumbula kanje season after season.
no kahle Pirates no kahle mfethu iPirates kumele ithathe league yazi why ne-Arsenal intwana kunumber
man.
ithathe league ntwanami lama team lawa angathathi league kumele athathe league
Shosho coach Beg.
yangitho
ayizinja-ke lezo hayi lezo izinja lezo
But alazizo.
ayizinja-ke lezo bizizinja
Ayike cotisation. Praza frustrated ithi.
no angikwadi ngekahini man eish
yeah no
Maka
you're
asikho
cooking
la.
cheap cook for us
asikho la
You were cooking. I
cooking
disturbed you.
uthi
Langaman.
51 million yenzani
eh
oh
Langaman kumele refresh le nto ayishilo ne asisekho la for no sicheletile mina mangihlanganisa okay 51 million plus ne 42 le kaNkotho iska 93 meter
ayishaya igoli elihle unkota last week
mamela
Awubakoti.
nayizolo mfethu ucreate amagoli amnandi bawine 3-2
uyabakota
mamela uyabakokotela
Uyasibala.
man uyabakokotela mfethu
Ngiyachazeka mbani. Like ama-players mawaphuma sometimes ungakhohlwa ngawo.
right
Uyangithola. But esikhathini samanje mfethu each and every like noma ungena kuma mostly mina ngisibhanisa YouTube. Mawungena ku-YouTube uzobona lapho mawungena nje ama-highlights ithi bomankota abantu vele ngiba
yeah
mangenile
it's good
into grand
bonkota bobani bani like you understand
Abomkwana.
wayithola
into bengisho ngonkota ngada ukuthi mangada
araise
into
sana
kumele yenze
Perform. simple
because of into
because of yabona sikhala ngonkotha
athatha igame ngathi elokugcina
yeah
unkotha lo ne
everyone nje
lesimkwana no uphamisa litsono wayilwanela team yayo kada
mfethu kumele
badlalile I think
badlala
badlalile
same league
yeah badlala same I think badlalile 2-2 I think
njengoba badlala
izolo
badlala izolo
yeah i-team kaMkwana ngathi bedlala izolo
kutsho badlala
badlala so like I think badlalile 2-2 bona bonke kodwa bawine 3-2
yeah kumele ba-outperform everyone
exactly
yeah true
and manje yabona into kaNkoda uyaperforma ngada uyabona ngayeza ispine la score lamagoli
exactly
it's unlike you perform on that side when you come this side you drop so it goes back to lento leyo ukuthi
into being stress
le league langena kuyo
ayikho competitive enough
yeah if now you don't channel yourself to a point of okay it's not competitive let me be competitive with myself
exactly
into league leyo ukuthi yangithola mara yena personal
that's how you challenge
so you have to cook everyone
iyafana nemove kaMbokazi in a business sense sharp for team
kwabanye
makarisha bagrand career wise for Mbokazi
utayithola game time
yeah utoyithola because
for that kind of player
ake hani
he's a top player that guy
the abilities zayo asi player looking ekaya ko MLS ijo
lona chojwa
yeah nake chojwalo njalo
he's a top player me
top
for me
njalo
uMbokazi no ngavaya no
akakavaya kanti
akakavaya mara uyavaya but sengiyasho ngifuna ukubeka i-team azodlala kuye engazi ukuthi i-team ezomsutha grand no ngibheka imbobo la ku-EPL ukuthi iphi i-team engathi imbobo hayi baba yakusela simbobo ngithini
makaye ku-Liverpool ukona kwenzala
ngibabeka ngithi ukuthi
makaye ku-Liverpool makaye ku-Liverpool
space corner not imbobo eziteam
kahle Liverpool ifuna uMbokazi player like efana noMbokazi abokonata abakho
mntwana Man United
nada angafika mnandi
Man United
azosifana naleyo bani uMatthias
if uMbokazi ntwana yami bekasayina i-team nje efana nabo Man U ngithola lapho mfana for i-career yakhe
bekazoba mnandi
and bekazodlala la kuneyimbobo
and futhi yabona i-Man U vele eMsaudi vele baba at least bane soft spot for team Quentin
Fortune Santana Alda
so I mina mfana disappointed ne makafuyi Pirates
disappointed but at the same time you happy because nakhona it is a boost for him ukuya Europe because most of my player ngayeka bafuna ukusayina nakhona osayina
but not MLS
ukwenzala sharp wavaya uyakai United States of America sharp oraba dishoza libo Messi hyper riding you Mbokazi ulodlala against Messi elele ngitlo hyper
exactly Busquets
mara asimbokazi fela odlala nkada
and
bongalihlongwane uvayele yiko ma Respect United ili player lo no ya selectiwa ko national team what happened
I'm dropping
why because of league are you competitive enough uyakalina MLS for nna ki retirement league
yeah sure wanna be
ki retirement league
do you have a point because bheka most mangathi bheka most ama players wazi yabo Messi yabo Busquets nani
baritela
le you understand so Mbokazi uyada mina I would say
Sergio Busquets
it wasn't a good move but for him ukuphuma like us
sharp
understand
sharp
but it wasn't a good move for him considering ukuthi le player yiyo
wathajwa it's like at least ngisukile seni abroad
mara
your benefit in fact sekilela or like it will affect our national setup jwang will Hugo Broos abe matlo so da ko MLS a shebe ditema la telle progress ya rating ke mang obani lo Lombe ka dlala ngada neli a prospect eloring ne tlo dlala ko national team what happened
it's one of the same thing na le dlala ngota
Cassius Malula
look
Bekani agent yalabantu labo
It's one and the
ukuthi
same thing lento kaNkota no Mbokazi. Hence I'm saying ukuthi
Yeah,
you
it's
need
the
to challenge
same.
yourself
Mhm.
for you to stay in that, you know,
Yeah,
in that or whatever,
True.
or surpass the ceiling.
Yeah, true. But
Mara
then
khona.
mina ngifana ngithisa umnetsi uvayile uye wayavama kasuka la.
uye eFrance
It's a good move. Uvano. Wolverhampton. Uyangithola?
big player baba
Uyangithola? Ayizange imthathe
like
awuthiya Cassius Mayilula.
uyeva Canada
Sekenza kanje.
uHugo Broos wathini
Pesita ujike ku-PL
melavayo lo muntu lapha kuna league lapha
Pesita ujike ku-PL Club Brugge but agent yakhe decide ukumisa
Uhambeleni kule team le.
upulo nona le di-comments tsa riding tsa Hugo Broos
bekasiloni umayilula bebamkhethe esikodini
ya
Yeah,
bebamkhethe
bemkhethe.
beku-regular naye
agent yamthatha imisa
e-states kuyenzakaleni
and
Ufuna ukhola ngamadola, ubulala idola umuntu.
here's a funny story yani uMbokazi kune agents bekakuya ngazi
uphumile
Shuthiyo what ne waphuma waya
Kuphi
kulesi
management?
sister
Karama Mthamba.
yeah
P management sister yamcoba USA Cassius Mayilula agent that USA mawunkota Saudi Arabia waya bathatha bayise kula maligi lawo
lawa angekho
I think
emehlweni wethu
nakhona akusinto ukuthi awekho emehlweni wethu. I think gijimisa imali.
exactly that's the whole point
Because you cannot ngeke ulahlele mfethu uyambona lo muntu uyaperform kwamele umfunele
Wabona-
isipane sigrand umlahlela kusipane esingayenza ukuthi singcwabe icareer.
wabona
onga
if-
eBelgium
if you were to ask
Oh
me
my
over
God.
like uhappy ka movie ya riding yambokazi sharp personally ke disappointed mara business wise
You happy for
for a
him?
pirate
You happy for him?
ke happy for it ntwana at least ha ile ra fitla kana aka perform o le team empire team ile empire se elsewhere
Empa isetse team e loring.
wa understand
Wato thola nje.
ja ke tla tshwe ke re ya maybe ibile movie grand but then ga tla bo like
but ubani ke
Ukompita kae?
ubani usuke ku MLS
wire
eplayer lase South Africa
angazi
Kuzoqala
lahamba la eklapini
Kuzoqala
grand
ngoMbokazi.
wabona if ever
Let's
mfethu
be positive.
Okay, sure.
And nakhona bona lento like Steve.
no I'm
Mbokazi
here
ki player.
for a career yakhe.
Awe. uMbokazi nami player la. Because u represent national team njengoba usho ukuthi ngakha
ke
national
yona le le ke
team.
lela
Setup yakhona
ke
but
lela riding e mfana ore
this thing is a bit tricky.
It will affect-
ukuthi ngicabanga
it will affect the national team setup jwang because of no you go president la mfana ke acaba wila yitsho la ile ngaka
Ushilo what
United States
baya kula maligi
Aye.
United States
tshela you go personal influencer rile le fandagi asotholi team
yeah.
o bile le influence ka tsela nyana tselo ga mfana ska ja
So how did they allow Mbokazi?
what are this team what this team
you just said it my brother
business sense
Yeah,
said it
I understand,
yourself.
but okay.
it's more about money
You're protecting really. Why can't you do the same with Mbokazi?
ama
I
agents
understand what you
the
awafana
agent that is one
But influence Bwankana Hugo Pros.
yeah but at the end of the day
mfana
ni agent yakho
Wenza
ubone
into etsayo.
inyuku ukuthi la ngiyadla
raja and
obviously
obviously
bros uthini ngiyakutshela uthi yami uyohola 3
So,
million a month
Manibhekile nina
or
ke.
whatever
and
ngazi the
le
money.
home
Nina manibhekile uMbokazi la khona manje ufila kanjani.
Asa-
Now when you
awuhephi.
get to yeah, I understand.
Uhephi.
But when you get to like sit and look at things not only because you're moving from South
Yeah.
Africa going to another country abroad,
Yeah.
but your soccer, your career and everything. Already, wabona akadlala professional, mara tseba states. Some key players take America, but
and then
you
for me,
understand.
when
So wena ka wena individual, how do you inahana? Like what do you say?
well
to
in fact
yourself?
Cook my brother I want them to cook me.
America sikhuluma ngama athletics.
mfana that's why ke mfana ke re ke uncertain ka movie ya le nyambokazi because of is at his peak akasheba stats tsa imo Pirates even though Kesharp signed the team ile ne and then it happens or like agent I negotiate the deal ore okay Sharp send the player is yours however player e tlotla kolona after AFCON ke delay ba negotiate because of agent ile gara because of Pirates lona ne se e agree deal hence ne ke sho kere in the business sense Mbokazi uwine move Pirates lona ya benefit in terms of business. Hence ba agree lo hayi Mbokazi akavali for this amount. Bampayisa meaning ucho Mbokazi itepe if it happens Mbokazi kada ko teaming it happens or like win a major trophy in Pirates won't benefit because of bampayisitse one shot overile. Awona hore Pirates ko benefita ko di success tsa rena tsa Mbokazi kada one shot. So ka riding mang agent ai evaile ya yone ke sheta dila go tsa king but bana le final e tlameleng ba idlala at least ntanga azokale kada after AFCON. So meaning Mbokazi after AFCON asali player Pirates officially wavaya kada mara ka finally o tla badlala Mbokazi knowing that like Mbokazi sele player
Andla final ki farewell.
Chicago Fire
Finally ki farewell ya.
Bravo. And then ke le reng entse ngo like ba tlo shifta nyana ko Mbokazi ke le reng entse ngo lore una le offer ile nya zogala for really same league Cincinnati whatever.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, le bona ne ba offer nyuke paya for ntwana but then Pirates manage to stop at deal. Why? Because of Basekora in
The back.
exactly and Basekora in le future ntwana upole phela mfukeng da ko Pirates is not just a player e lo ngintso yemo upole ke crowd pool mfukeng
Ke brand.
ke brand mfukeng ke the face
Poster boy.
one tall ke the
Top
face of
player.
Orlando Pirates. So like via why you can imagine go tlo etsang ko branding ya Pirates and ka you bona the face of Adidas. Pirates is sponsor ka Adidas. So like into tse paya tse lo reng no mfukeng ga o tlo mpaya tlamela ko kae in a proper league mo lo reng vele no wa pusha no.
I have a question.
So dilia yang kota le dile le Mbokazi fonna ibile similar ka tselanyana gore Pirates ya benefit bontshwa phela Pirates ya benefit no ka boka riding di prospects tsa bona tse yang kara ba bone go okay mago shebe di backpack tsa Pirates
Agent bathi yiyo eyile ngada le negotiate deal.
ya vana ntwana vi
Ngithola.
Mbokazi ntale kada
So le akusi club to club deal a
Exactly.
police.
yeah
Ngithola.
ke agent and player
Involving a player.
yeah
Ngithola. So now my thing is why the agent isa
Ama-player.
and they are young.
Joe.
Why is Buffett re ka sheba ka side the link so ne?
Okay okay
That's why I keep questioning what
Yeah,
what's about.
yeah.
Maybe that's a statement. So Kim Tae Eso. I think Kalisolelin, agent. Agent is Mbokazi there, maybe he might go there as a player. Aling he can be big, co-leaking age.
okay
Him being big, securing the bag for him as well, it's a plus. But for Mbokazi, Lena, it's a plus. But I think we should be in a market view or market perspective way. Ukuthi mangizo hambisa uMbokazi lapha ngiyabona ukuthi maybe le league le ifatalele but if Mbokazi wadlala lapha angashayina kube like wabona top player player of the season into njalo that gives him recognition eduzana nase Europe ukuthi ama team agrand akhona ukumthatha. That's the way engicabanga.
ngiyibona ngade
Yeah.
sure
Ngiyayibona
ngiyajawula
leyo
point
ndlela leyo.
down
Nami ngiyizwa ne. Yeah, you are cooking. Now, listen to the cook that I'm gonna cook over the cooking. You were cooking.
Then cook.
Ane ukuthi I think into eske sayiringa ukuthi kulama country la they believe more in their players
more than
ama player. Awuthiyami amcavu Cassius Mayilula top player le.
line
Kunomthetho lezi America zingabentsha leya. Asirinivara izada. Mawuyibhekelela le league mawuyibheke. Do you understand?
angicava ne-national team America
They
ukuthi
can do
kudlala
the
bobani.
same thing to TLB my guy.
And makhuluma ngi-challenge.
Noma ngabe
Yeah,
noma ngabe ayi top player. But what if i-coach yela angeke imspanise?
Mfana imhlalise ebhenchini.
Izo two
Or the World Cup is not that
Rigid or
as welcoming
stagnant.
as expected.
exactly
So what happens?
So kuyona la ngina.
One of our soldiers is
But
dead,
baphethu
my guy.
kule zinto lezi there's always
Yeah,
They
it's
sharp.
Yes, you know.
7 sides
I
of
mean,
the
I'm better
story.
Mbokazi better. I wish you all the best, my guy.
Yeah, no, we
Ushe
do.
wenza izinto zenzakale mina
we do.
okuya ngokwami kule league lezo isapha sibhokoza isileague
Concern yakhe.
uthathe nalapho ku-EPL
My concern
nebhale
is-
into yakho ntwana
My concern
South Africa
is
sayifuna
my concern is
Hey, please,
Mbokazi.
nakasuka lapha eligini.
Mbokazi mfethu remstopile ulodlala World Cup under 20. Due to what? Ato re help ko senior team will qualify for World Cup 2026.
Mhm.
That tells you like Mbokazi is a quality player.
Mm.
And a
Top
quality player eloko ntlamele udlala kae? Top league.
but let us not underestimate
Aki underestimate.
because sekuyatsho nje but the way Ribanka
I can't
That team there, number
underestimate
16.
consider-
Last season, they were number 16.
You consider but you consider 60 goals. No, but you consider 60 goals.
Uyabona?
So like
Uyabona into esisho.
like in fact
Mbokazi mfethu is the problem so
I'm
so stop
like
at 60.
personally in fact
I pray.
I'm here
I
to
pray.
You
you.
will, bruh.
I pray.
I'm
I
because
believe in
they-
his capability.
Exactly. I'm here to you.
Do you know-
uthi coach amdlalise
Do you know what I pray for? Ukuthi ngiyamncane uMessi awuthi mara mangaQ Messi.
but the thing is only Messi Inter Miami and that's it what about these other teams
Yeah, maybe that game izomgaya
Recognition.
recognition.
I mean I'm not going to Busquets
Ah,
Uthe bale ya
Busquets akayi phambili.
osala Mbokazi waya udimpela dlali stagnant wakhuphuka
Izomukha
I don't
ngaphambili
want
ukhe
to
ngawo.
get clever.
Busi.
Selection yabo. Makafeli yabo. Mbokazi mfethu great move yabo, great deal okay sharp. Pirates
It wasn't a
simnandi
great move
For
they
a-
made it clear
for Pirates ikhono sign 3 players kanyuke hampinchi. Siyabonga yabo. Feel uspanele thina mfethu. Nina concern yami
cook wena
South Africa. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi Mbokazi yayo ku-AFCON na bazokubona le performance ohamba ngayo ngayi mayifika ngala kuzoba yiyo na ngifuna ukubona into engileyo na i concern yami ku-national
Yo,
team
so what happens maka performer mnandi ku-AFCON then
And-
afune team kuyi.
ngathi bangam le team here's the thing
Sayinile
here's the thing baceda ukumsign say you performer ku-AFCON ufuna i-team e-top la bambhaye ngemali
they'll buy him out
51
contract
sharp depending ukuthi i-team ifuna ukumrelease na
and angeke
abasomboni phela utova yi after AFCON
bamtsiba abasomboti bamtsiba
Now it's gonna
Never
mess up
release.
his mentality.
Exactly.
So
so like
Mess up
ukuthi-
his mentality.
so like hey
mentality nje
ikhanga move
yasha.
ikhanga phambili
Yeah, izokhanga phambili ke ngemuva kahle ke
Yeah,
ningitsheleni
sicela
ke
ukhuphe,
mina ke
yeah,
nithi
khupha.
ke funa ningitshele Vandag today. I want you guys to tell me and ngizombuza kucala lo isithu angayicabangi lady.
Uzoyicabanga obviously. Athi ngicela ngayi.
My brother, Chief,
ayile ibhomo ezayo le
unyaka uyaphela ne?
Leyo pause yabona.
Unyaka uyaphela
after next month
ne?
nge-31
Yeah, the league is gonna be closing now.
nge-3
And
Ivala nge-3.
we've been watching PSL from January
yeah
to know. Ne? Give me your top 10 players now, my guy.
Top 10 players.
Yeah.
I mean akuzoba ama-player amaningi we-Pirates.
Give me from January.
January.
Performance
Yeah,
from
that's what
January.
I'm saying. I'm not pushing agenda.
ungaphushi yajena sifuna
Yeah,
amaplayer ayajena owacala
Uzoba i-agent.
owacala asikabajena
Then-
nawe
Kule nto besiluka ngayo top 10 players.
Dithe ke mang?
SA top 10 2025 top 10 players.
Udi Thego.
Eh?
Dithego.
Dithego
Yena
ke mang?
edlala ku-TS Galaxy.
Dithejana.
Uso.
Yeah, Uso Dithejana.
Mhm.
No bayithuko ku-TS Galaxy. Ke mang omunga? Le ntwana ke mang yabo Mahlambi.
Siluleko
Yeah. Then siya kwaMaZulu. KwaMaZulu striker sabe ngidabe igama lawo angilazi. Le Korigoli against Pirates le 10 ile ya. Golden Arrows, ku-Golden Arrows. KwaMaZulu.
Njengoba badlala
ubani upoison ukubani
Man,
ubani
ibisela ntwaneni.
Van Rooyen
Actually
Van
no.
Rooyen
Nginamanga. Lamchita lo ngikhuluma ngayo lo ngikhuluma ngayo strike le-Golden Arrows. Ulo bekatatazela makomela shaya ibhola. Uphula kanokho i-30 mul boxing mul othwansa right. Athisa amahlo ukuphuphela khona. Ntwaneni yadlala leyo.
akususibeko le card
Yeah, iCard.
akususibeko ukusibeka kusilo number 8
usiluleko yile
No,
yaku
le striker.
TS
athi ku golden
Golden ubani? Number 8 usho
Number 8 uNdlovu.
uGatsheni
Number
loyo.
8.
Number 8
I think
uGatsheni.
usibeko wena
Yeah,
lo
striker
ringa.
sabo.
Yeah,
Okay.
usibeko.
Then uStelis Umdaka.
Mm.
Kuba 10.
Yes,
Yo.
my brother.
Yo.
Yenze kahle wenza fast kwamgesi kathi sokucabanga. Yabona vele lacabanga yo. Yeah, yo top 10 asiye.
My top 10.
Yeah. Hey, cishe
Yeah.
ngichithe crest.
Yeah, Crest.
Mm.
Penalty.
Team bacabani bafika.
Mm.
Eziyakhala.
I knew it. It was gonna be a bomb. Now it's a wow.
Ilanda intwana ke mina.
Mm.
Poison.
From January to November.
Mamela Poison.
From
Poison.
Golden Arrows.
Intwana
Oh
encane.
yeah. 15.
yeah.
Intwana encane itswa ku under 20.
Mm.
Oh yeah, Kevin.
Poison.
Mm.
Kekana Khumlimi.
Yo,
Yeah, with Sundowns.
Le bedla no under
Yeah.
17.
Yeah.
Mm.
Obrigado.
Mm.
Mdushabalala.
Yeah.
Liyalandela liyangenca ngavele from
Do or
die.
die.
Do or die.
Yeah.
Really.
Yeah.
Okay, nithi ufana nami uMadlela ke. Siphithiphithi.
Police.
Police.
Amaphoyisa mfana.
Yeah,
And
amaphoyisa.
then okay, goalkeeper wise silanda uChipezeze.
Okay.
Chipazaz
Yeah.
Yolis.
Chipezeze.
Wena le team ephelele
Chipezeze.
kahle kahle.
And
Phethe
then-
no keeper mina.
And then obviously iplayer lami elihamba esigaqagaqa ikhanga
TLP.
ikhanga
King Silas wa.
phambili.
I kick
And
time
then
yami
Slanda
whatever.
u-
King.
U-
American
Chicago.
Yeah.
Silanda
Yeah.
ulona
Malile ntwana.
ulona uPusodi Tejani.
Yeah.
10.
Intwana ezayo grand le ayimnandi.
Yes,
Last but not least intwana yami yasedladleni intwana yami you got my support
Ivika.
thato khiba sani embese
Wow.
ngifuna lapha ku Pirates boy bayitheni baphele
Yeah.
yeah
Okay.
Yeah, no,
Ufuna ukubuza le question yakho was it based on the performance?
remethi ya top 10
Amagama
ngobatla
No, the performance. Bengifuna ukubona ukuthi
Yeah.
seyibukela iPSL.
Performance when it comes to Tato Kiba, let's be honest. Okay, Donna Sekasi, but performance wise, yeah, up and down.
naphela personal family affairs
Oh, okay, I
Nepotism.
nepotism family affairs thato khiba sani
Awumnandi,
yasedladleni imnandi watsa why consistency yayo even though lasaqalile igame ne bamkenya second half
umbesi.
o kgona ho bona go like coach o batla ho etsang ka yena o kgona ho mspanisa jwang so I think one manager is just that go like team e dlalang o la di play tse le go ga di kgone mo compliment ka tselanyana tse dingwe like
Oh,
ka kgone
yeah,
ho dlala
I get what
wa
you're saying.
understand
But
so
you
like
can grow
o consistent ntwana because of uthola di minutes so wabo so like akathola team e le go no tlo kgona mo compliment oh mbe so
I was about to enter
Awumnandi umbesi.
there's always a
Yeah.
room for improvement. I keep playing
Yeah,
perfect, you understand? Hence I'm saying okay, Mary son one.
Awumbesi
Lukisa
umnandi,
tabamnandi.
umnandi.
Sesimele wena.
mukoko
Yeah, top 10.
mukoko
Awubani umkoko manje?
stop entering nina we see you
Ubani umkoko manje?
Ngizovala ngenye into.
mukoko sentelo mukoko we're going to enter that side
Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
telling you
Yeah, top 10. Goalkeeper. Sipho Ching.
Okay.
amaketane move namaketane
Right back. Sailor Mudau.
utla ka position
Yeah, uta position.
Yeah, ngiza nge-position.
la go tswela
Yeah. Center back.
That's why I vela with a question here. I thought I'd shine.
Yeah.
ya
Center back. TLP.
Nana ke na ntwelo. Ata take some time.
ai skele
TLP.
TLP. Yeah.
Oh.
TLP ne no
TLP.
Sierra.
ke tseba tu ne ke tseba go
Ah,
bona tsa ka ile no
TLP
ona
no
ka center back ya
Sierra.
Pirates
Yeah. Obvious.
Wait, takutsha ke sabotage nje.
Left back.
He was cooking.
amtlwe
Jabo.
Ah, no.
sela
Left back for me. Eish. Bamkhawathile mara no. It's fine. Yabo?
Ba.
Pasadi.
Why wena ndo makhuluma player ko kwamele ube slow.
wana hala ke wana
Oh,
hala
bengifuna ukusho igama. Bengifuna
wana
ukuthi Fawaz.
hala utla ka skele
Bengifuna ukuthi Fawaz bamkhawathile. Faith. Midfield.
Yeah, from January to no.
Yeah.
Ubasa dina ikinto ayenzile masikhuluma ngeperformance. Ayikho.
okay
Mara from January angithi.
Ngikadala,
Yeah, performing.
oza number 6
Yeah. Number 6. Tebuza Mkhulu.
Number 7, number 6 kanjani?
number 7
Number 6
bengisemidlini.
bakobayithu.
Ngisemidlini. Second one. Ayi ungidlalela ngifuna ukuringa mara it's a short time mara
Kuluma bafo.
nemtatshela.
who are
Hayi
John
ungikhukhela.
Koni ya Mulamboni
Ozwina police.
Spithi Pete
ingakhi manje?
9, 7, 9.
Nine.
These are just 9.
My favorite, my second all-time favorite player. Really,
Okay,
William Cookie.
Uri.
Number 10.
Number 10. Cookies, the master chef.
Athi sizwe ke fact checker. Banyana.
Banyana. Okay, siba i-3 ke.
Banyana.
Okay, mina ngikhulumela TLP Muremi no. Iskomoda.
Ngwana says.
Ngaphethe kunenye personal.
Awuyidlali. Siyayivala ke man.
Bengibheke
Before i-ring. Siyayivala. After le nto le siyayivala sicima yonke into siyahamba.
Yeah.
Awuyigqobhe uthi
Ngibuka kanye clip kanje. Yeah, Nigerians here but they were trash talking us, eh?
What are they saying those
They
ones
were
now?
saying Brato man, they were saying like
They are saying we are not
South Africa is
cooking,
not
oh.
gonna make it because they don't have quality.
They say we
We
are
are
not
going there
cooking.
to 8 numbers in the World Cup.
And then they saying to us, they say one player can buy the whole of South African team. I said, what? Igwe, no.
Ah la la. These
So
guys
now the
are
thing
full of
is,
trash.
they did it, whatever, so a few moments later,
Yeah.
they were crying, my God.
I saw that
They were
video.
crying. I was like, Sunday shower.
These Nigerians
Yeah,
are too
those guys they were busy.
So-
They're cooking us.
You see now we are talking now. Us talking now.
Yeah.
Nigeria is nothing against South Africa. South Africa is the best at the present moment. Huh?
South Africa qualified for AFCON in a World Cup.
So what do you have
You
to
are
say
not
for
in a
yourself?
World Cup.
What do you have to say for yourself?
They are only beating us with one thing.
We want to win the AFCON semi-final again.
They are beating us with one thing.
You will see
Keep
Mukwena.
Mike Mangisho.
Hey, contraband. Selling contraband.
Nigeria, you are not going to qualify for World Cup. Boagwa. Boagwa.
Hey,
Don't
don't forget to like and subscribe. She will make Buffet too.
Trying to fix South African football.
Yeah, we are trying to analyze South African football. School this is Bona Mara Central. Subscribe.
Bafethu,
Follow us on Facebook and TikTok.
keep
We're
on
gonna
commenting.
do our Instagram page.
Ni commenting Bafethu. Sabajabulela ama comments wenu. Siwabonile.
Danko.
Sisazo reply relaxani. Siyeza kini.
interact, yabo.
Sisazo interact
It's
Bafethu.
interact, but
Samtela bafethu.
human beings in their very own nature is to interact with each other.
This one is
Danko.
readed. It's readed.
Yeah.
Is English.
Azicopele zozo.
Bafethu
So it's a
siyabonga,
make
Bafethu.
that way. Mavocha Siakote,
Oh, yeah,
Kevin Kev, better known as Pule Matibe. Oh yes.
Ayebo.
Danko.
Beke libeki.
Beke
Oh, yeah.
libeke.